I'm Daniel Bray, Inspector of Mines Electrical at the New South Wales Resources Regulator. At an open-cut coal mine in the Mudgee region, a worker has suffered serious hand injuries while carrying out a torque converter seal replacement on a water cart. The worker was using an improvised battery source to energise a hydraulic solenoid in order to lower the water cart tank at the completion of the task. The worker's hand was resting on the hydraulic ram as he connected the battery to the solenoid. As the solenoid activated, the hydraulic ram retracted, resulting in the amputation of 3 fingers. At the time of the incident, the water cart's tank level sensor was faulty, causing the system to falsely indicate that the tank was full and preventing the tank from raising or lowering. To complete the repair, the tank was required to be raised and lowered. To achieve this, workers bypassed the water cart's control system by manually powering the solenoid beneath the machine, using a drill battery and short wires. The hydraulic circuit was power raise, power lower, which meant the machine needed to be running in order for the tank to lower. The method chosen placed the worker directly under the hoist mechanism with no potential for remote activation. The investigation by the Resources Regulator found that line of fire exposure during powered testing and inspection and the use of improvised battery power supplies were contributing factors to the incident. In response to this incident, the regulator issued prohibition notices banning the use of portable power supplies unless approved by the site's statutory electrical engineer, and prohibiting workers from entering within the footprint of live mobile plant during testing or inspection. Machine under test procedures are systematic approaches to completing tasks that would otherwise be prohibited. Workers and supervisors need to understand the risks associated with such tasks, and site supervisory practices should reflect this. Sites should seek to eliminate uncontrolled powered testing setups by formalising procedures and using approved engineered tools only. Sites should design out line of fire exposures. They should use remote activation systems, establish physical exclusion zones, and mandate machine isolation for all component energisation unless task-specific risk-based exceptions are in place. Ensure battery power supplies are designed and used only by competent people, approved by the site's statutory electrical engineer, with clearly documented use cases and limitations. And update maintenance systems to ensure they resolve critical equipment defects. Sites need to reinforce supervisor accountability in overseeing task planning, electrical safety and risk control validation. Please help to eliminate the risk of injuries, and let's continue to work together to make the New South Wales mining industry a safer place for all mine workers.